Hey guys, welcome to iGyaan. Now, Redmi as a brand for Xiaomi has been targeted towards a slightly more affordable segment of the market, whereas the Mi brand takes care of their premium side of things. Now, recently Xiaomi launched the Mi Truly Wireless earphones. However, in this video, we're going to be checking out their budget equivalent, the Redmi Earbuds S. So let's quickly get started. Right off the bat, the Redmi Earbuds S are a cheaper version of the Mi TWS, and they are also quite different when it comes to the design and the way you use the earphones. Now, these will be priced at around 2000 rupees, which is considerably cheaper than the truly wireless earphones from Xiaomi. Now, they come in this compact package, and the earphones are inside a charging case. You also get two additional ear tips, the small and the large tips, as well as the medium that are already on the earphones. The overall design is really compact, and these are more earplug style earphones, and the overall finish is plastic, and it is a matte black plastic. And while usually I'm all for the matte black everything scenario, in this case these are extremely slippery, including the case, including the earbuds. So you might want to handle this with care because it might end up slipping out of your hand and falling on the ground frequently, as it happened with me as well. Let's talk a little bit about specifications. The earphones themselves weigh in at 4.1 grams, which is extremely lightweight, and they have a 43 milliamp hour battery in each earbud. The charging time for the earbuds is about 1.5 hours, and they give about 4 hours of playback if you're listening to them at 80%. Now, we've been using these for about a week, and we found the claim to be somewhat in the same range, anywhere from 3.5 to 4 hours of usage on a full charge. Now, the case in itself has a 300 milliamp hour battery, and it can charge your earphones up to 3 times, and the case takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and then you can charge your earphones up to 3 times in the case as well. Now, because they are in-ear style earphones, they plug in and also sit inside your ear in a vertically up position, which means that they have a really snug fit. In fact, I found them to be extremely isolating, and they cancel out outside sound simply because of the sheer isolation. Now, if you have bigger ears, you might want to swap to the larger ear tips, as did I, and after that you have really nice isolation, so you get really deep bass and really good audio overall. In fact, I might go ahead and say this, that if you're not looking for that extremely quick setup process that you get on the Mi TWS, then these have a better sound signature for the price bracket that we are in, and also a better form factor if you like in-ear style earphones. If you like AirPods style earphones, then the Mi TWS will possibly be better, but the Redmi Earbuds S have a better snug fit and have a nicer, sportier design. They're extremely lightweight, and they also hide well in your ear, so they're not visible like the Mi TWS are. Now, like I mentioned, the sound quality is pretty good, and the overall volume from these earphones is also pretty loud. You also have the ability to activate voice assistant, whether you're using Siri or Google Assistant. All you need to do is double click on the earphones to activate the assistant. You can also simply play pause music by single clicking the earphones, and then there is also something that Xiaomi is calling the game mode, in which they reduce the latency and improve the connectivity, and hence it consumes more battery. But this improves gaming capability and reduces latency in game. And to enable that, you need to triple click the Earbuds S, and it goes into a game mode, and it gives you an audio notification, and then you're in game mode, and then it improves the latency, or actually decreases the latency and improves the gaming capability of the earphones, and hence they make a really good pair for gaming if you're somebody who likes to play games like PUBG or Call of Duty. Now, these are also IPX4 sweat resistant and splash proof, so if you're somebody who would want to use them during workouts, you'll be able to do that without any problem. Overall, these are a compact pair of earphones, and if you're looking for something that gives you a really nice isolated sound, these earphones are actually a really good purchase at a price of around 2000 rupees, and for that you get a really nice TWS pair of earphones, and also the fact that you don't need to worry about how you need to pair them, because they pair with each other almost instantly when you remove them from the case, and then it becomes visible in the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone or your Android device, and you can simply click and connect to them, and then start using them for your earphones. Now, they also have an inbuilt microphone, so you can use them for voice calls, and the audio quality again on voice calls is good. Overall, these earphones are a really good package. One thing I would like to mention is that they isolate your ears quite well, which can be dangerous if you're somebody who runs outside. You may not be able to hear oncoming traffic. So be careful where you use them. I would recommend using them indoors and not in areas where you would want to listen to things. If you're driving your car or if you're doing any of those things, I would recommend that you do not use these. If you want to use them as an earpiece, you can use a single earbud at a time, and you can also use it to make voice calls. You can use it as a Bluetooth headset if that's something that you guys are interested in. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.